Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to send crypto from Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet. It's very simple and very quick. So you will have to either link this both, and we have a video tutorial on how to do that, on how to actually link your Coinbase into your Coinbase wallet. So if you haven't done that, go check that out. So it's either two ways. You can send money from your exchange wallet right here into your actual Coinbase wallet by pressing send, or you can actually go ahead and press receive, copy that address, and of course, head on to your Coinbase wallet. Or so let's just go right here and then press receive. So from there, you can receive using your own QR code right here by scanning it. So you can scan your Bitcoin if you want, your Ethereum, scanning it, Solana, you can scan it, or you can copy those addresses and paste it in your Coinbase when you're going to transact. So you can also go ahead and go to your settings and then connect to Coinbase right here, which will redirect you to the application to connect it, and then you can transfer seamlessly throughout your Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.